Let me paint a pretty picture for you. You just finished working on that particular awesome video you want to post, but getting to Davinci Resolve to edit it, you discover that the audio plays in one ear just like this. Here's how to make your audio sound in both ears in Davinci Resolve. It doesn't matter what mic you recorded with. You don't have to worry. Come with me, let's go to Davinci Resolve and fix it so that your audio can play in both ears. Come along. All right, so pretty much this is exactly what you're going to do. I already have the clip I want to work on, which is the exact same clip that I played for you during the beginning of the video. Let's play it again and see. Here's how to make your audio sound in both ears in Davinci Resolve. It doesn't matter what mic you recorded with. Apart from the fact that from what I can hear from my laptop where I'm playing it from, the audio is coming from the left ear. If you are using your earphone to watch this particular video, you're also going to notice the same thing. But apart from that, another way to also know if your audio is playing in one ear or on both ears is to monitor the waveform. That is the audio waveform. So just look at what is going to happen at this particular area now. You can see that the audio waveform here, the right ear is what is going up. So to also still make this more clearer for you, I'm going to go to Fairlight. Fairlight is the section of Davinci Resolve where you work on your audio. If I play it, you can see there that just one ear is where the waveform is coming up from. So let's quickly fix this particular thing so that the audio can play in both ears and it to be a kind of a balanced audio output. You can do it in two different ways, but it's the same thing. So since you already have your timeline, your clip on your timeline, when you discover that the audio is not working, of course, what you just have to do is to right click, select this particular clip and then right click on it and then go to clip attributes. We get to clip attributes because the audio clip and the video clip, they are both linked. That's why the first option we're seeing here is video. So just go to audio. When you get to audio, you're going to find this particular section here. Remember, we discovered initially that the audio is playing on the right. So we have to make it play on the left too, on both ears. So what we need to do is on this particular source channel, just select on this particular downward arrow and click on channel 2. Once you select that particular channel 2 and do OK, let's play this audio again and see. Here's how to make your audio sound in both ears in Davinci Resolve. It doesn't matter what mic you recorded with. Okay, from what we can find now, the audio already plays in both ears. To further find out scientifically if it is playing on both ears or not, always monitor the audio waveform. Here's how to make your audio sound in both ears in Davinci Resolve. It doesn't matter what mic you recorded with. Okay, now if you check it from the Fairlight section also like we did initially, you're going to see the same thing. Make your audio sound in both ears. That's awesome. So I'm going to go back and show you the second step which I talked about. It's still the same process entirely. But let's assume that you already know from onset that the video clips you recorded were recorded into one channel and you just want to go ahead to fix the whole thing. So what you can still do is from the media pool, come to the same video clip, right click on it like we did initially, then come to clip attribute. Once you click on clip attribute, you can see that the audio here will come up. This came up this way because remember that initially we've already selected this audio option. So what you might find when you check it initially is the video, that the video segment is selected. So what you just need to do is to select the audio segment instead. And then like from what you just noticed that place now, it's still the default way, right? So the two channels are not synced together. So what you just need to do, like I did initially, just to select the second one, which is the channel 2, and then click OK. So another thing also is you might make mistakes sometimes. This is an additional tip that I want to share with you here. Another additional tip is that let's just, for instance, say that by mistake you click on clip attribute, and then here instead of selecting channel 1 because you aren't quite sure which particular ear the audio was playing with or which particular channel the audio was coming from, if instead of changing channel 1 to channel 2 you changed channel 2 to channel 1, right? Let's just do that now. What you're going to notice here is you can see that the audio clip is gone, like the waveform from the audio section is gone, and if you play it now you'll not be able to hear anything at all. So if you encounter such a mistake, don't panic. What you just need to do is to undo the process, which is Ctrl+Z, and then go back again and select clip attributes, then use the other option instead. So that is exactly how to get this done. So I hope you enjoyed this particular short, quick tutorial, which was longer than I actually expected it to be, but I just wanted to dive into detail on how things work here, giving you more tips. And also hit the subscribe button because only about less than 2% of my viewers here are subscribed to the channel, and also hit the like button so that the algorithm will be able to recommend this video to more creators like yourself. So see you in our next video. Take care of yourself and stay safe.